So, you want to make money with AI and YouTube, but you don't know where to start. Well, lucky for you, because the YouTube Master is here. This channel get huge money with YouTube, and all they do just read the scary stories.
Huh?
And won't believe this, they make from 20 to 50 Kelvin a month. So what if me and you could overtake theme using AI? In today's video, I'm going to show you the full process of making a faceless YouTube channel just like theirs, from start to finish using only AI tools. And the all AI tools is fool free. And the best part though, you can monetize it on YouTube in 2023. So if that sounds good to you, pay attention and let's get started.
Hello, I like money.
First of all, create a new channel. Then we have to complete the branding of the channel. So go to ChatGPT and ask for 10 best scary YouTube channel name. I think this name is good and I will choose it. Now choose a handle for your channel and create a description with the help of my friend GPT. Now it's time to make logo and banner. First, go to Leonardo.ai website. I published the complete tutorial of this site on this channel. If you have any problems, take help from that video, and I also explained how to create a free account in the shortest time. Now go to image generator section. First you have to set the logo size from here. Then write your prompt. And click on generate. Wow, I think that's amazing. Download it and set it to your channel profile. Now it's time for banner. Go to the site, change the logo text to banner, and change the image size and ratio. From here we have 4 sections that we can upscale and smooth our image and try some of them. Now we have the best banner with high quality. Now for the last part, go to Canva and choose a YouTube banner template. And match your banner to the middle of the banner. Congratulations, your channel is ready. Now it is the turn of the second step, the script. I am going to make a video with this title, Beach Horror Story. So go to ChatGPT and type, write me an original, scary, and interesting 300-word horror story on the beach with a first-person perspective. Then I want from ChatGPT to divide the story into parts and write a Midjourney prompt for each part. Now it is the turn of the third step, the voice. Today for voiceover we use Elevenlabs.io. First go to the site and sign up. The site has 3 different plans, and the good thing about this site is that all plans do not require a commercial license. The free plan give you 10,000 characters per month, but I want to use the starter plan because it's $5 per month, and first month has 80% off, which is you only have to pay $1. When the registration is finished, click on Add Voice. Now select Voice Design. Now design any kind of voice you like, but I will make a male voice with a lot of tone, like this.
First we thought the PC was a calculator. Then we found out how to turn numbers into letters and we thought it was a typewriter.
Now choose a name for your voice. After that, add your scary story and click on Generate. Now we have the voice and story, so let's go for images. To create images, we will ask Leonardo for help again. First, we copy the command that ChatGPT has already created for us, and then enter it into Leonardo prompt. We do this for all the parts that GPT made for us, and download all the images. Now we need great music without copyright. And don't worry, I found one of the best sites for free music after a lot of searching. The name of the site is Chosic, and I will put the link of the site in the description. This site has lots of royalty-free music for YouTube and social media, free to use even commercially. So I enter the horror music section and download one of the songs. Now we have the audio, images, and music, and all we need is a professional free video editor. For video editor I use Capcut, and you will understand why later. First sign up and upload all your footage. Now enter all the footages into the timeline and match the audio parts with the images. Then enter the effects section and enter any type of effect that fits with your story. The beach in an ethereal glow as I strolled along the shoreline.
The rhythmic crashing of waves provided a soothing backdrop, but an unsettling chill crept up my spine. I scanned the empty beach, my eyes drawn to a figure standing at the water's edge. As I approached, a sense of dread gnawed at me. The figure was tall and motionless, their silhouette shrouded in darkness. A foreboding aura emanated from them. I hesitated, unsure if I should continue, but curiosity lured me forward. As I drew near, I noticed their hollow eyes, devoid of life, fixated on the distant horizon. A shiver ran through me, and a voice whispered in my mind, "Beware the siren of the deep." My heart raced, and I turned to flee, but it was too late. The figure's head snapped towards me with an unnatural speed, revealing a face twisted with malicious intent. Their mouth opened, emitting an otherworldly wail that pierced my soul. Paralyzed with fear, I watched as the figure's body contorted and transformed. Scales